Hi everyone, my name is Kearney and I'm a licensed mental health practitioner, and I'm here today just to offer you another quick coping skill from our Coping with COVID series. I'm really excited to share this one today with you. It's looking at your strengths, and not a lot of us take time to mindfully look at what our character strengths are, let alone think about how we can utilize our strengths in our everyday lives to cope with stress. So you can take a free survey to look at your character strengths and see what your top character strengths are. And you can take the survey by going to this website up here called viacharacter.org. So viacharacter.org. It's very simple. You'll notice right here there's a big yellow button that says take this free survey. And it says up here, when you discover your greatest strengths, you learn to use them to handle stress and life challenges, become happier, and develop relationships with those who matter most to you, which all sounds really, really great. This is what the survey looks like when you click into the website. You'll notice up here that there's an adult survey for ages 18 and over. But if you have someone in your life who is younger than 18 and you would like them to take the survey, there's a youth survey as well. All you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, your email address, create a password. It's not going to share your information with anyone but you. And then simply down here, you just click on this to take the survey. It'll give you a bunch of different questions. It should take you no more than probably 8 to 10 minutes. And you'll notice here there's a sample survey question, such as being able to come up with new and different ideas is one of my strong points. And then you just click on if that's very much unlike you, all the way up to very much like you. Why take this survey? Millions of people have taken this same free survey to discover their greatest strengths so they can use them in their everyday lives. Research has found that only 1/3 of people have an active awareness of their strengths. And just imagine if we all knew what our strengths were and could be using those in our everyday lives, we'd probably be much happier, have more meaningful relationships, and be able to have it as one of our go-to coping resources. This is a scientifically validated survey, and at the end, it'll give you a profile report that looks something like this. There are 24 character strengths in this particular survey, and it will rank you from 1 to 24. 1 being your top character strength, down to 24, which is probably strengths that don't come very naturally to you. It's very user-friendly. So for example, if perseverance is your top strength, it gives you their definition of perseverance. Or maybe it's honesty or teamwork or prudence or gratitude. Once you've taken the survey, you'll get a screen that will ask you if you would like to buy the detailed report, and that's certainly up to you. It gives you a much further in-depth detailed report, or the free survey gives you a free report that just, again, tells you what your top character strengths are and explains a little bit about each strength. Even just taking the survey can be uplifting and boost your mood because it's really nice to know what strengths come naturally to you. But don't stop there. Again, I'd encourage you to take a moment to think about, if my top strength is curiosity, how do I approach my job, my relationships, the struggles related to life or coronavirus with a curiosity that can help me maybe get less entangled in that moment? Or if it's bravery, how do you bring that strength and use it when things get tough? Don't forget to check it out, viacharacter.org. Take the free survey, see what your strengths are. I hope you are well.